Okay, before we start this video, you will be needing Scratch. You can either download it as the app or you can just search it in the web. It's a website also. So all you have to do is just search scratch.mit.edu.com and it will lead you to this page. I'll be sending the link to it in the description. So first, you need to join Scratch so that you may be able to do the learning we'll be doing today. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today, this is our first episode of our series called Learn the Basics of Scratch Programming. And in today's video, we will be learning how to make your sprite walk. Let's start! So first, we go to events and we get the first code, which is when green flag clicked. Then we go to motion and we will get the first block also, which is called move 10 steps. So as you can see, we put when green flag clicked. So when we press this green flag over here, this sprite will move 10 steps. So let's see if it works. So as you can see, he moves forward every time you press this green flag. But there's a repeat button, so I don't need to keep on hitting that green flag. So there's a repeat button. You can tell him to repeat as much as times as you want. You can even tell him to move 20 steps. So let's bring him here. Let's go. Whoa, you can see he moved a lot. So he moved like 200 steps. So also you can pre press this one. When this sprite clicked, you can also use this one. When this sprite clicked, he moved that. You can either pick any one you want, but I don't think this is the ideal one for now, as whenever you keep on pressing it, he will keep on moving. So you can also, if you want, change your sprite to a baseball player, a cat, to a bear, to a diver, to a dog, to the earth, or anything you want. You can even have your own character by just drawing it like this. Let me try to draw like this guy. Well, we have a circle, so let's draw a smiley face. Let's change it with a different color and put it here. Make it bigger. So there we have like a smiley face. See? Now you have a smiley face. So the code like we did, you can do this. When green flag clicked, move 10 steps, and then events, in control, then repeat 10 times. You will see the sprite moving. So you can either change your sprite or you can also add a sprite, like how I added the smiley face over here. Okay, my challenge for today is to see how fast you can add a new sprite and do the code that we just learned today. Let's go. Okay. Oh no, the time is ticking. Should I make a new one? I'll just add a new sprite. So delete this guy, add a new one. Come on, faster, the time is ticking. Um, Dinosaur? Okay, I guess we could do with the dinosaur. So let's go with when things flag click, repeat 10 times, motion, move 10 steps, and let's see if it worked. See, all of them are moving. Yes. So check my time. Well, yeah, I thought I could do faster than that, but thanks for watching. Bye.